Ever wondered how your body builds everything you need, from your muscles to your hair to the enzymes that digest your food? It's all thanks to an incredible process called protein synthesis. Today we're going to dive into the heart of your cells and uncover the amazing journey of protein synthesis. Get ready to see how your DNA blueprint turns into the vital proteins that make you, you. Imagine DNA as a recipe book, packed with instructions for building all the proteins your body needs. But we can't just use the original recipe book, it's too precious. So we need to make a copy. That's where transcription comes in. The process starts when an enzyme called RNA polymerase finds a special region on the DNA called the promoter. Think of it like the start here signal in the recipe book. RNA polymerase travels along the DNA, unzipping the double helix and reading the instructions. It uses this information to build a copy of the gene called messenger RNA, mRNA. It's like making a photocopy of the recipe. When RNA polymerase reaches a special stop signal called the terminator sequence, it detaches from the DNA, leaving behind a newly synthesized mRNA molecule ready to be sent out for translation. The mRNA molecule now heads out of the nucleus and finds its way to a ribosome, the protein-making machinery of the cell. Think of the ribosome as a chef who's ready to cook up the protein based on the mRNA recipe. The ribosome attaches to the mRNA and starts reading the instructions. It finds the start cooking signal called the start codon. Then, the first ingredient, a special amino acid called methionine, is brought in by a transfer RNA, tRNA molecule. The ribosome continues reading the mRNA code, one codon that's a set of 3 nucleotides at a time. For each codon, a tRNA molecule carrying a specific amino acid arrives and binds to the mRNA, ensuring the correct ingredients are added in the right order. The ribosome then links these amino acids together, forming a chain called a polypeptide. This is like the chef combining the ingredients to build the dish. Each time a new amino acid is added, a strong chemical bond called a peptide bond forms between them, creating a growing polypeptide chain. When the ribosome encounters a stop codon, it signals that the protein is complete and the polypeptide chain is released. The polypeptide chain now folds into its unique 3-dimensional shape, which determines its specific function. It might also undergo further modifications, like adding phosphate groups or sugars to become fully functional. From the DNA blueprint to the finished protein, transcription and translation are a beautifully orchestrated dance, ensuring that our cells build all the essential proteins they need to function. And that, my friends, is the incredible story of protein synthesis. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And stay tuned for more amazing explorations into the world of biology.